If you want to close background apps on CMF Phone 2 Pro, if you use gestures for navigation, in order to go to background apps, we need to swipe from the bottom and hold our finger in the middle for like half a second, so something like this. As you can see, the view changed to the background apps. Over here, we can swipe left and right in order to see all the apps that we have running in the background. And over here, if we go all the way to the, if we swipe all the way to the first position, as you can see over here, we have the clear all button, so we can use it in order to close every app running in the background. We can also swipe up in order to close a single app. And of course, if you use 3 buttons navigation instead, then in that case we need to simply use the square button, which is located of course over here. So if you tap on it, it can also be located on the left side, by the way. So once you tap on it, you will also immediately open the list of background apps, and you can close apps pretty much the same way, just by swiping up or by finding the clear all button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.